Well, hi there, everybody. Good Tuesday morning to you. Meteorologist Travis Kleneski here. It's my last day of the work week. I'll be off the rest of the week, and Nathan Gogo will be taking over for me for the Wednesday through Friday morning shift here. So just kind of give you my last forecast of the week. It looks like another nice day expected for today, so let's check out that forecast because things will be changing tomorrow. Now, it is a chilly start with 30s and lower 40s out there this morning, so a little bit colder than what we've seen as of recent, but should see lots of sunshine mixed with some clouds. Mild breezy winds kicking back up out of the southeast as we go through the day, and that's going to boost those temperatures up in the 70s for afternoon highs. So overall, another pretty nice day ahead of us. Now tonight those winds stay up, we stay on the mild side, and a little bit of a piece of energy comes in out of the west, so we could see some very isolated showers or weak thunderstorms as we go into late Tuesday night, early Wednesday morning. And then the start of your day on Wednesday, looking at warm and windy conditions, those winds kicking up out of the south. That's going to pump in some moisture from the south as we go through the day, getting those dew points back into the 50s because it will be very dry today. A little bit of moisture tomorrow, but really we would need dew points to get up closer to 60 degrees if we were talking about a legitimate severe weather threat that might include tornadoes. But right now it looks like a tornado threat would be very low, but I still do expect some severe weather as we head into tomorrow afternoon. You can see those storms firing up in the afternoon across central Nebraska and north central Kansas. Heading into tomorrow evening, still going to see a little bit of a severe weather threat as that starts to shift to the east and to the southeast, but if it moves slow enough, again, picking up some good moisture, and I think as we get towards the later night hours, that severe weather threat really starts to die away, and as we get towards tomorrow, or Thursday morning, we'll start to clear out those skies and see some pretty nice weather to wrap up the work week Thursday and on Friday. So, severe weather threat for tomorrow. Right now, the Storm Prediction Center has a good chunk of the viewing area under a slight risk of some severe weather for your day tomorrow, again, tomorrow afternoon into tomorrow evening. If I really had to highlight an area to really watch for, north central Kansas and the far southern Nebraska would be the area I would watch, but I still think the higher tornado threat is farther to the south down in southern Kansas into Oklahoma. Again, if we had more moisture with this system, I think we would have more of a threat, but I think these storms, what's going to happen, they'll maybe very early on develop into supercells, but then quickly merge into a line of storms pushing eastward. So again, looking at that threat, I think the higher threat would be wind and hail. Damaging winds, large hail with these storms that develop the tornado threat fairly low for tomorrow. As for your weather for today, before we get to tomorrow, we have to get through today, and we're looking at a pretty nice day. Again, the winds will be quite strong. Temperature-wise, we are looking at lower to mid-70s up towards the north. Even warmer towards the west, mid to upper 70s and lower 80s. I do want to point out Hitchcock County and then Dundee County outside of our viewing area under wind advisories for today. Again, winds will be stronger out in the western parts of our viewing area this afternoon. Still going to see some fairly blustery winds here this afternoon across the south and also out towards the east, temperature-wise, mid-70s in the south, low to mid-70s out towards eastern portions of Nebraska. So a pretty nice day for today, your extended forecast. Warm and windy tomorrow. We potentially could be pushing mid-80s for highs on Wednesday. It kind of all depends on how quickly those showers and storms fire up. About a 40, maybe 50% chance of showers and storms in the afternoon, a little bit better chance during the evening hours, and then clearing up by Thursday morning. Still not bad temperature-wise for Thursday and Friday with mostly sunny skies, a bit breezy Thursday. And then big changes on the way for the weekend and also still some big-time question marks. Saturday, I think it's just going to be an isolated chance of a shower or weak thunderstorm as we are probably talking about highs around 60, but the potential is there to be a little bit warmer. Again, I'm kind of playing the middle ground right now. Temperatures Saturday, Sunday, and Monday. We have one forecast model that wants to go warmer and another one that wants to go much colder. So it kind of all hinges on the track of our storm system, which will be a fairly strong storm system. Now, with severe weather threat, I think it'll be much farther to our south. We'd have to see the track of the system farther north to see a good severe weather threat. So right now I expect showers and, again, isolated thunderstorms, and not really expecting much for severe weather. But it does look like we will cool things down. Best chance of rain Saturday night and into Sunday. Could even continue into Sunday night and Monday. And then just beyond the 7-day forecast, we are going to have to watch for maybe the potential for frost or freeze headlines as we see that cool air kind of stick around for early to the middle parts of next week, and things will start to turn a little more quiet by that point as well. So still some fairly active weather over the next 7 days before things become a little more quiet towards next week after next Monday. And again, watch for that severe weather threat, which of course Nathan Gogo will talk about it tomorrow morning. Of course, you can catch meteorologist Tim Jones as well for tonight and into tomorrow night as that severe weather threat does start to develop later on in the day tomorrow. So our first real severe weather, legitimate severe weather threat of the season doesn't look like an outbreak or anything like that, but again, just kind of getting us ready for the season. So that's your weather forecast for today. Until next week, I'm meteorologist Travis Klineski, and I'll see ya.